Welcome to our channel. We are Technic Force and we help grow your business online. Please hit the subscribe button to get more updates. If you've been thinking about starting a Substack newsletter, one of the biggest questions on your mind is probably this: how much money can you realistically make? The short answer is anywhere from a few $100s a month to a full six-figure business. But the reality is that most creators don't become highly profitable overnight. Success in Substack depends on audience growth, subscriber retention, and how well you position your paid content. So, in this guide, let's break down exactly how Substack monetization works, what creators are actually earning, and what it takes to build a sustainable income from your writing in 2026. So, first, let's understand the business model. Substack operates on a subscription based system. Creators usually publish free content to attract readers and then offer premium content through paid memberships. Most newsletters charge somewhere between $5 and $10 per month, or around $50 to $100 annually. When a reader subscribes, the payment goes through Stripe, which is Substack's payment processor. Substack takes a 10% platform fee, and Stripe charges roughly around 3% in transaction fees. After that, the remaining income goes directly to the writer. For example, let's say you charge $10 per month and you have 100 paying subscribers. That's $1,000 in monthly revenue before fees. After Substack and Stripe take their cut, you keep around $870 per month. Not bad, right? Now, that might not sound like life changing yet, but here's where it gets interesting. At 500 paying subscribers, you could be earning roughly $60,000 per year. At least 1,000 subscribers, you're entering six figure territory. And the largest Substack publications, the ones with tens of thousands of paying readers, generate millions annually. Substack even has bestseller badges that reflect growth levels. Publication with over 100 paying subscribers earn one badge, those with over 1,000 get another, and the top tier includes newsletters with tens of thousands of subscribers. But here's the important part most people overlook: making money on Substack is not just about getting subscribers, it's about keeping them. Retention is the real game. A lot of readers initially subscribe on a monthly plan just to test whether your content is worth paying for. If they don't consistently see value, they cancel. That means creators constantly deal with subscriber churn, people leaving every month. So even if you gain 20 subscribers in a month, losing 15 means your actual growth is only 5 new subscribers. That's why successful newsletters focus heavily on long term value and reader satisfaction. The most successful Substack creators usually share three things in common. First, they publish consistently. Readers are paying for reliability, so if your posting schedule is inconsistent, subscribers lose confidence quickly. Consistency builds trust and creates habits around your content. Second, they offer something exclusive. People need a reason to pay instead of just reading free content elsewhere online. That could mean premium articles, templates, deep research, private discussions, live calls, or community access. Successful newsletters create an experience readers can't easily get for free. Third, they promote strategically. A lot of creators struggle with selling because they don't want to sound pushy or overly promotional, but effective Substack growth usually feels natural rather than aggressive. One popular strategy is called a content funnel. The creator publishes a highly valuable free post and then links readers to a more detailed premium resource behind the paywall. If readers enjoy the free content, they naturally become curious about the paid version. Another effective method is building a premium content library, a dedicated page showcasing all subscriber only resources in one place. So, for free readers, it creates curiosity, and for paid subscribers, it reinforces the value of their membership. Some creators also create customized Become a Member pages that explain subscription benefits more clearly than the default Substack page. These pages often include testimonials, feature breakdowns, and examples of premium content. Now, here's something else that's extremely important. Relying entirely on Substack subscriptions can be risky. Many successful creators treat Substack as the foundation of a larger business rather than the business itself. Once they build trust and authority with readers, they expand into other revenue streams like courses, coaching, consulting, sponsorships, digital products, speaking gigs, or even physical products. In many cases, the newsletter becomes the entry point into a much bigger creator ecosystem. So, how much can you realistically earn on Substock in 2026? For complete beginners without an audience, earning a few $100s per month is a reasonable starting point. With consistency and audience growth, a few $1,000s per month becomes achievable. And creators who approach Substock like a serious business with systems for publishing, promoting, converting, and retaining subscribers can absolutely build six-figure income streams over time. So the key takeaway is this: Substack is not a get rich quick platform. It rewards consistency, trust, and long term relationship building. The creators earning the most are usually the ones delivering real value, maintaining strong subscriber retention, and building a business beyond the newsletter itself. If you focus on creating content people genuinely want to pay for, promote it strategically, and continue improving your subscriber experience, Substack can become far more than just a writing platform. So it can become a real and scalable online business. And that's basically it. If you found this helpful, please like and subscribe to our channel. See you in the next one. Introducing Cohorsha, new AI powered community builder. Build your communities with Cohorsha and take advantage of AI automation to grow your community and engage your members without working manually all day. Setting up and running your community is very easy with Cohorsha. Works for any niche. It's fully featured, SEO and traffic friendly, virtual AI members, fully monetizable, and hands free growth. Cohorsha creates virtually real AI members that auto create new posts, AI members that engage and support real members, AI members that comment on posts. Your community is also a progressive app. Member chat makes your tribe closer. Online and offline events, polls and surveys, SEO friendly, team access and management features, highlighted posts, reach analytics, moderate with AI or human beings. You can customize messages, no hosting required, and a lot more. So what are you waiting for? Get Cohorsha now. Just go to getcohorsha.in.